હેલો સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, વેલકમ બેક ટુ અવર યુટ્યુબ ચેનલ. જો તમે આ ચેનલ પર સૌપ્રથમ આવ્યા હોય તો ચેનલને લાઇક કરો, શેર કરો અને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરવાનું ભૂલતા નહીં. સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 10th ગાલા સ્વાધ્યાય પોથી ઇંગ્લિશ, તેમાં સપ્લિમેન્ટરી નંબર 3 સ્ટોરી ટાઈમ. સપ્લિમેન્ટરી 1, 2 આપણે પહેલાં આપી દીધી છે. ન જોઈ હોય તો ત્યાં જઈને જોઈ લો. મેઇન ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 1, read the passage and answer the question. First question, why did the warrior repent? Answer, the warrior repented because he has killed his master. Second, why did he run away? Answer, he ran away because he knew that if he was caught, he would be put to death. Third, how did he decide to repent for his sin? Answer, he decided to repent for his sin by single-handedly cutting a road through the mountain to connect the village with the rest of the world. Fourth, why did the young man come to the warrior? Answer, the young man came to the warrior to take revenge of his father. Fifth, what did the warrior request the young man? Answer, the warrior requested the young man to wait until he had completed the tunnel. Now, main question number 2, select the word having the nearest meaning. First, isolation. Answer B, separation. Second, determination. Answer B, strength of mind. Third, repent. Then answer D, be sorry. Fourth, dangerous. Then answer D, unsafe. Fifth, extraordinary. Then answer A, unusual. 6, peak. Then answer A, summit. 7, warrior. Then answer C, soldier. 8, did. Then answer A, action. 9, remote. Then answer B, far off. 10, deserve. Then answer D, be worthy of. 11, labor. Then answer C, hard work. 12, task. Then answer A, job. 13, eventually. Then answer A, finally. 14, cleave. Then answer C, cut. આ સાથે આપણી સપ્લિમેન્ટરી નંબર 3 કમ્પ્લીટ થાય છે. તમે તમારી સ્વાધ્યાય પોથીમાં આ રીતે લખી લેજો. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ.